If this doesn't convince you to stay at this hotel, thank you for joining me, everyone. This is Rachel Doe back with another video. This is the happiest I've been in so long. I'm coming to you today from Macau, which was my #1 bucket list place to go previously. I've already done it, so I'm gonna have to find a new one. This is going to be the in-depth room tour here at the Londoner Grand Hotel. Thank you so much to my amazing partner for getting me a great deal on this room. I really hate to say I'm only here for one night because I am switching to the Conrad, which is the same property but a separate hotel in the same building. So I'm staying one night here, 2 nights at the Conrad. Go ahead and check out my channel to find details on that stay as well. I just booked a basic room here and they upgraded me. Thank you so much to the front desk staff. They were so kind, polite, professional, courteous. They made me feel so welcome. Every step of the way, someone has wanted to help me, and I really appreciate that. But this room is amazing. This is the Charles Suite, and let's stop talking and just get into it. I am coming to you with my robe on. Let me get the whole shot. So of course, I always got my hotel robe on and my hotel slippers. And take a look around. This is the bathroom. So we've got this gorgeous soaking tub over here. There's a head pillow. We have bath salts, a loofah. I am absolutely taking a bath in here tonight. You can get some mood lighting. You can turn it off, have half light or full light. Over here we have a his and hers sink. Our shaving makeup mirror. A great thing about a lot of Asian hotels is they have free water. They don't charge you for using it. And here's so nice, we have one by each sink. And I have a bunch by the fridge. I'll show you that when I get there. We have an anti-slip mat and extra towels. I searched a lot of videos to try to find what bath amenities they had here. I didn't see a lot of people featuring them, so I'm happy to show you. Maybe other people want to know as well. Toothbrush kit, shaving kit, vanity kit, dental floss, shower cap, comb, and 2 of these mouthwashes. The shared toiletry here is this body lotion, and it's really nice. We just have a simple bar soap for the sink. Now I live in Japan, so I'm used to some pretty nice toilets, but you all need to see this one because even the toilet room is beautiful here. Everything was completely spotless when we came in. We do have a sanitary bag and a remote, so if we want to open, close lid, just like that. And you can even do the seat as well. And close it all. I love this little seat here. I think this will be cute to take pictures at, but honestly, I'm probably gonna run out of time. And here is the shower. We have a full rainfall and a separate faucet. We do have shared toiletries in here and a seat, which is really nice. I haven't seen this brand before, but I'm excited to use these. The spoiler's already coming up, but through these French doors is the bedroom. Even the carpet is so clean here, which is so rare. I believe they completed the renovation on this hotel. It is a Sands property about 2 years ago, so everything is still fresh, pristine, and it really shows in the details. Yeah, it's getting dark. Let's just get in this massage chair. Okay. Oh my gosh. How far am I gonna go? This is not a compliment, but I feel like I'm at the gynecologist. If this is your first video of mine, I promise I'm not normally doing stuff like this, but you know what happens in Macau? I don't even know what these buttons are. This is exactly what you need after a long travel day. It's got the legs going, the back going. So my view from this room is probably the least spectacular thing about this room, and that's not an insult either. It's just that the room is so incredible. Right out my room, I can see some of the pools, the other side of this hotel, and I can actually see all the way across the water to Hong Kong, which I just came from today. When you want the curtains opened, you can do that or control it on the iPad. But way out there, you can see the bridge I came across. That is the longest bridge in the world. But we have a view of the Grand Hyatt, Wynn Palace, and some of the pools down here. And across the way is the Venetian. You can get to the Venetian without going outside. I'll show these details up close with the bedroom lighting that's accessible from the bed, as well as some outlets. Behind me is the cute little vanity. I love this red chair. There's definitely a lot of pops of red that fit the Londoner theme. No detail was spared in this room. Even look at this jewelry box. And here is the hairdryer. We have a huge flat screen TV, and let's see the other side of this apartment. I mean, sweet. Over here we have the little dining area, this gorgeous chandelier. Like, this is not something I would typically see in a suite, even though this is an upgraded room. This really gives top floor to me. We have a giant mirror here. Behind you can see more artwork. Look at even the details of the beverage station here. My favorite part is actually these teacups. Even these are perfectly in theme. Definitely want to have a cuppa with this. We've got a Smeg kettle, an espresso. We have all these waters for free, and now that I've filmed them, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the fridge. Oh, look at the mini fridge. In Vegas, we do not touch these, but here in Macau, we open them up and we start drinking the Red Bull because this is all included. We've got some Perrier's, some soda water, Sprite, Coca-Cola, apple fruit juice, Macau beer, and this herbal tea. And I don't even have time to drink all these, but you know, I did crack open this Red Bull. Over here on this side, we've got our glassware. What a nice touch to have champagne flutes, wine glasses, Collins glasses, and a rocks glass. And in here, the amenities do not stop because we've got these really nice chopsticks, soup spoons, coasters, Ferrero Rocher, Pringles, Shin Ramyun, some Nespresso pods, of course, our creamer, and a bunch of really nice tea, and Earl Grey, and chamomile, and English breakfast. I like that a lot more than just having a green and a black. And of course, here is the living space area of the suite. The couch is so comfortable. It's that navy blue plush velvet fabric. TV is huge. Over here on the table is this iPad that's our room controls. You can change the language up here in the top. So we've got a nice message over here. We have all the temperature, the room control. So I did make it a bit colder in here, which is rare for me. You can control the lights here, the curtains. We've got a smart remote. You can browse all the TV channels, and of course, in-suite dining. And this is where all my stuff is hiding, but we have the safe right here, a really nice umbrella, of course our robes, and they did have his and hers slippers down here, and I did take the his. Okay. We have a shoe shine section too, and here's our laundry bag and a sewing kit. And this looks like a gift bag. I don't think I've seen this before. I don't have too much luggage because I'm only here for a few days, but I love that we even have the alligator clip hangers, regular hangers, and this is a brilliant detail. Obviously, a lot of people here are probably coming for a wedding, and the cute hangers make the wedding dress photo, so they have these available. Over here we have our full-length mirror. I want to keep marveling over this room, but I need to go check out the rest of the hotel. I really hope you've enjoyed this in-depth suite tour here at the Londoner Grand Charles Suite. A like, comment, and subscribe go a long way for my small channel. I'd love to keep paying for rooms like this one. If you didn't know, I'm an actor and entertainer currently based in Tokyo, and I make all sorts of tourism content for YouTube, mostly hotel tours, but also a lot of things to do around Florida, Las Vegas, Hawaii, Japan, and more. So if that interests you, be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna go to the massage chair. Well, I guess I'm gonna have outtakes for this video. Oh, just need to shut my curtains. Okay, I'm coming back. I can't sit here forever. I have to make content. Try being an influencer for a day.